Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Practice gratitude daily to cultivate a positive mindset. Prioritize your mental and physical health above all else. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people. Learn to forgive yourself and others to find inner peace. Take risks and step out of your comfort zone to grow. Practice empathy and try to understand others' perspectives. Set boundaries to protect your time and energy. Focus on progress, not perfection, in everything you do. Invest in continuous learning and personal development. Practice mindfulness to stay present and reduce stress. Take responsibility for your actions and choices. Let go of things you cannot control and focus on what you can. Value experiences over material possessions. Be open to change and embrace new opportunities. Practice self-love and self-compassion. Learn to say no to things that do not align with your values. Find a sense of purpose and meaning in your life. Practice patience and trust the process of life. Learn to manage your emotions effectively. Live in alignment with your values and beliefs. Cultivate resilience to bounce back from challenges. Practice kindness and compassion towards yourself and others. Learn to let go of the past and live in the present moment. Keep an open mind and be willing to unlearn and relearn.